In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically sort new rows in Google Sheets. Have you ever found yourself looking at a list of unsorted items, say, a list of your favorite fruits, and wishing that each time you added a new fruit, the list would effortlessly maintain alphabetical order? Google Sheets can certainly sort data with its built-in feature, but unfortunately, newly added entries don't automatically adhere to this organized program. But don't worry, because today I'm going to guide you through a simple yet effective way to automate this sorting process using the sort function directly in your spreadsheet formulas. So let's decide to embrace a bit of spreadsheet magic. I've got this unsorted list of fruits, and to illustrate, I'll use the built-in sort feature of Google Sheets first. By clicking on Data and then selecting Sort Range, you can sort the existing list quite easily. However, here's where the hiccup comes in. Adding a new fruit to this list. Well, it doesn't automatically adjust its position within the sort. The convenience of automatic sorting is lost, and that's where our journey begins. To enable automatic sorting with ease, we'll employ the sort function within a formula. We'll start by designating a new column for this fresh, automatically sorted data. Here's what you do. Begin by typing equals, and then the word sort, followed by an open parenthesis. This clever formula is what will work its wonders each time a new entry is added. Next, you'll need to specify the range we want to sort. For instance, I'm selecting the first cell as A2 because that's where my list of fruits begins. Then, follow this with a colon and the letter A. Why just the letter A, you ask? By doing so, we're instructing the formula to include all future entries in column A as part of this automatically sorted list. After the colon comes a comma, setting us up for the next necessary parameter. Now, with our range established, we need to determine which column to sort by. Since we're dealing with a singular column, our beloved column A, I'm going to enter the number 1 here. If you were sorting based on the second or third column of a selection, you'd use 2 or 3 instead. A vital detail to remember indeed. Lastly, another comma leads us to the choice between ascending and descending order. For fruits, I prefer ascending order, so I'll type true. If you had a zest for the descending order, you would simply go with false. Finish it off by pressing enter, and behold, a new, dynamically sorted column appears. Each fruit you now add tips the scales only briefly before the spreadsheet auto-magically finds its proper place. And that, my friends, is the secret charm of automatic sorting in Google Sheets, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy sorting.